guys, this is Elisa with WTI. Let me tell you that I love outdoor activities, but I'm always trying to protect my face from the sun. This running cap has been so helpful, and I want to show you why. This running cap from OutdoorEssentials is super comfortable. I love bringing it with me whenever I go for a jog. This is lightweight, this is sweat wicking, and it's breathable. I wouldn't change them for anything. I have a variety of different colors. I love how it was designed. You're gonna see that they have perforated side and rear, so this provides breathability. It keeps you cool and it keeps you dry. I also love the material that it's very gentle. This hat is not like any hat, but this protects 98% of any harmful UVA and UVB rays. These come in a variety of other colors. It's not only for her, but it's also for him. I know you're gonna love them just as much as I do, but that's just my point of view.